Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm going to be doing a cream eyeshadow tutorial for you today. I'm going to be featuring this color Cherished. It's just a really pretty rose gold, which I'm super excited to show you. So let's get going. So to start, I'm just going to get my cream shadow brush and I'm going to come across the top and you're just going to swipe and grab some of that color off. I'm just going to be putting this on the inner third of the eye, or about to the inner half. And while I'm at it, I'm going to do the other eye so I don't have to keep coming back and forth and washing it, and just do it while I got this color on it. So I'm going to get the other eye going. Okay, and then between shades, you just want to give it a quick little rinse. And then I'm going to come in and get the color Unapologetic. And it's just kind of this burnt, rusty orange. And I'm going to put that on the outer third, towards the inner corner. Sorry, the outer corner. Ooh la la, I love these colors. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse my brush and we'll get moving on. All right, so moving on, I'm gonna get this color Unfazed. It's just kind of like a light gray. And I'm gonna stick that just kind of as my transition shade. Just above the crease. And then to finish off, I'm gonna get color Elegant. It's just a light, kind of a shimmer, and I'm gonna use that to highlight the brow bone as well as the inner corner. Actually, one more thing, I'm just gonna get Unapologetic again, and I'm just gonna stick a little bit of that orange right under just to kind of balance it all out. Now if you guys want to finish off your eyeshadow with some eyeliner as well, I'm going to do that real quick. I like it either way. I'm just going to do one eye for now, so we can kind of compare. But this is in the color Prim, and it's just a light brown. Now I'm obviously going to need to balance it out and do both eyes, but there's one with and without. I like it with. Let's do it. Got to anyway. Okay, and I've got a little bit of mascara on, but I'm going to just hit it with one more coat and we'll be good to go. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again next time.